questions always come up in the exam, and the question says expand and simplify. This is a triple bracket, so we need to choose two brackets first. So let's choose these two first. So 2x, so that becomes 2x squared minus 10x plus 3x minus 15, and we have one bracket over here, 3x minus 1. Now we need to simplify this one. 2x squared minus 7x minus 10x plus 3x, that gives us minus 7x minus 15 and 3x minus 1. Now we can expand this bracket. 3x times by 2 would be 6x cubed, and then 7 times 3 is 21. X squared 3 times 15 is minus 45x, and then we have minus 2x squared, then plus 7x plus 15. Now we're going to combine the like terms. So we have 6x cubed, so this is minus x squared and this is minus x squared. That gives us minus 21 minus 2 is minus 23x squared. Then we have minus 45x plus 7x, that gives us minus 38x, and constant term we have only one term, which is 15. So it is 3 marks easy question. Okay.